Dating, domestic, and sexual violence is so common and prevalent on university campuses across Canada, and healthy relationships are really key to prevention.
For university students, we find that there's a lack of space for them to talk about what's actually happening.
It's really about preventing violence at multiple levels. One of the things that we know working in the violence sector is that one type of violence poses a risk for another type of violence.
For the first time, I learned how to be comfortable with those sensitive topics thanks to the Stepping Up program.
I had a young man call me and he said, "I've never dated." And I said, "Well, would you like to date at some point?" And he said, "I really would." I said, "Then this is really the program for you."
They would guide us through scenarios, and they made it really fun. Like, they used a snakes and ladders. You go down the snake if the person's not engaging in a healthy behavior, or you go up the ladder if it's a very healthy interaction.
It really made them think about their relationships, right? And they could relate to a lot of the scenarios. So they appreciated being able to have quick and simple questions that really kind of made them think a little further.
So we really just started with dating apps and some of the expectations that young people experience on there, and also the ways that we can set boundaries and practice dating in a healthy manner online.
A lot of people said that they felt way more prepared, that if they were to ever come across this again, they would feel comfortable with intervening. The objective is to just get people thinking.
And the last one is sexual relationships. I think we're struggling still with consent. What does it look like? When do you need it? When don't you need it? What are you consenting to?
It was actually really incredible to see the discussions that came out of the workshop.
It's so much fun. Stepping Up uses the peer model, so you're working collaboratively with your peers, which is awesome. It's been a blast.
I was really amazed by the amount of energy that came with the program, lots of happy smiles, and just people that are really supportive about the topic.
So no matter what, you're going to learn something about yourself, and you're going to learn something that you can bring into your professional world.
Stepping Up equips you with communication skills as well as setting boundaries. And I can take that across all disciplines and apply that to any job as well.
It improved the way that I can communicate with others. Like, I feel more comfortable talking to people.
Students can go and kind of have these conversations with other people in their school, in their classes, peer groups, and really start to kind of bring this issue out of the darkness and into the light, which is where I think change is going to happen.